this is Maryam from Crochet Chilpil, and today we want to learn how to make a single crochet. To get started, I made 10 chains. As I've told you in previous video, every chain makes a V-stitch which has upper, lower and a back loop. And I will crochet in back loops. To make a single crochet, skip the first chain, insert your hook in the back loop of the second chain. Yarn over, pull it through the loop. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, pull it through both loops. This is the first single crochet. Again, insert the hook in the third chain, yarn over, pull it through the loop. Now you have 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through both loops. Do the same process all across the row. I made all my single crochets, and as you see, we have a pretty V-stitch when you crochet in back loops of the chain. Now I want to crochet in upper loops to see the difference. This time, I insert my hook in the upper loop and do the same process of making a single crochet. Now you can see the huge difference between crocheting in back loops and the upper loop. These stitches are those made in upper loops, and these are made in back loops. Now for the next row, chain 1 and turn your work. In the very first stitch, make a single crochet. And don't forget that the first chain 1 you made doesn't count as a stitch. Continue making single crochets all across the row. And what does a stitch mean? Look, every stitch has a V shape. We insert our hook into both loops. In both front and back loop. And sometimes, based on your pattern, you'll need to make your stitch in front or back loop. So I finished the row, and don't forget that 10 chains will give you 9 single crochets. And don't forget that we don't count that chain at the end of the row as a stitch. It's a turning chain. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in next tutorials. Bye!